Welcome to Patreon. I'm sorry. Welcome to Real Macro Economics and Investing. Hello to TradingView. Hello to YouTube, and hello to my subscribers. How you guys doing? Welcome back. All right, we'll do this special kind of crypto video. A lot of negativity out there. Everybody's like, puking it up. You you don't need to be that negative at this point, I think. Not that you might not want to be negative in the longer term, but for right now, where we are, where we came from, what's going on, uh, I think it's a little bit overdone. Okay, it's a little bit overdone. So, look, where are we exactly? If you go back in time, you're going to see that when we had that dump initially in Ethereum, and I said, look, Ethereum looks even finer. That's exactly where we are. That was, we're at price levels where we were back in February, and we were at the same price levels back in April. That's it. That's all that happened. So all the people that bought since that didn't know how to, read the chart right up here with the head and shoulders, okay, and get out, um, they got stuck in it and they ended up puking it up. Unfortunately, these are the only people that sold. Everybody else prior to April and prior to even February, they're making money right now. Um, so let me go back in time. Let's go back in time. First of all, uh, Ethereum. This is April 18th. Okay, Ethereum looks even finer. And look what happened since. Okay, barely now are they losing a little bit of money since that date. That's it. That's all that happened. But it's all over the news. Everybody's freaking out, and the Bitcoin haters. Oh my God, their parades in the streets, waving flags, hugging each other, high fiving themselves on Twitter. Nonsense, nonsense. It's just the people that puked it up that were latecomers to the bull rally, and they can't read a chart. Unfortunately, bare knuckle chart, and they got tagged. It's that simple, right? Here's another way I forecast at the top. Right, I've said this before. It looks exactly. Oops, oops. Let me do that again. It looks exactly the same, right? Now the question that we're going to have right now is: it going to be a longer term downtrend, or is this just going to be something that's going to resolve to the upside and continue to push on higher? Well, I got to keep some stuff for subscribers. I can't tell you everything about it, but I can tell you that uh, if you're trying to short now or you're trying to sell now, you probably want to wait before getting out of that position. You may be a little bit too bearish. I'll frame it that way. Okay, you may be a little bit too bearish right now. And you might need to just kind of pause a little bit and think about what you want to do next. All right. So Ethereum dropped as much as I can't measure this now, but it dropped I think about 50%. Same thing, a little bit more. Same thing with Bitcoin. Okay. Uh, Total market cap came down about 50%, if I'm not mistaken. Right. Yeah, 51%, popping. All right. Remember, these moves are designed to provoke emotion. They want you to do the wrong thing. They want to startle you. They want to scare you. Don't let that happen. Now, obviously, if you're levered 50 to 1, 100 to 1 or some crazy, amount, and you're you're blowing out your account, well, you shouldn't have done that to begin with. You don't trade cryptos with leverage. Okay, that's a big no-no. Especially if you're not experienced, especially if you're not a sniper. And even so, you're just taking on way too much risk. All right. we'll probably get some kind of a 40% move from the bottom, and we're already up, I think, about 20%. About 20%, 14% right now in total cryptos. You might get a pop up to about 1.6 trillion, okay, which is another 200 and something $billion market cap to the upside. And then we're going to see how it starts to form. If it starts to form like this, then it starts to fade. Then you can get scared and panic and whatever. We're not there yet. So Litecoin, I'm not going to talk about too much. That's why I stay away from these. This was down, I think, 70%. Yeah, see that? 70%. Stick with the winners. Don't go with these weird things. This one was down 66%. DOGE. This one is actually behaving better than all the other ones. But again, classic topping pattern. Remember that? I posted that. Go back and look at it. Bullish structure. I said this is going to start to fade away. Blah blah blah. Right? It worked out like a charm. If you obeyed the rules of bare knuckle charting, you were not involved in this, and you made some good decisions as to how to trade this. But anyway, it's actually performing a lot better than the other ones, only because of Elon Musk, and people listen to him for some reason. I don't know why, but I do know that Elon now has lost all of the profits that he made for Q1 in Tesla. Yep. Yep. Well, he talks too much. He doesn't think, and he's got no credibility. That guy. I don't like him. Never did. Never will. There's something wrong with that guy. He's a good bullshit artist, that's for sure. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I just want to give you a vague, taste of what I think is going on. Be patient, okay? Look for more upside, for more correction, and I think when the time comes, we'll know if this is it, if this is the it for cryptos, and I mean the it that we go into a longer term correction. Okay, we're not there yet. We can still go to new all-time highs. Still a possibility. All right, but the analysis was solid. This analysis here was solid. It kept us away from a lot of headaches. And the proper way on the way down is not to use log charts. Is to use non-log charts. Right? Look at that. Look at that disaster. Wow. That's huge. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you. If you have any questions, post them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support, please. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.